Do you want to learn how to make thick and foamy liquid soap at home using only 4 simple ingredients? This method is perfect for home use and small business. Let's get started. For this soap making, we'll be needing 125 grams of SLS, 250 grams of salt, 250 grams of Diysoap, a little glycerin, little color, 5 liters of water. The color is totally optional, but it helps give the soap a more attractive look. Start by pouring your 5 liters of water into a clean bowl or bucket. Then take a little out of the water and use it to dissolve your SLS properly. Once it dissolves well, set it aside, okay? Still using the same water, take a small portion, mix in your color until it dissolves completely, then set it aside. Now for the main mixing, pour your salt into the remaining bowl of water. The salt is about 250 grams, but I actually bought 500 grams, so I divided it into 2 parts. Next, add your Diysoap, about 250 grams, into the main mixture. Pour it into the salt solution and mix it properly. Stir very well until everything combines smoothly into the mixture. Salt plays an important role in soap making because it acts as a thickener. It helps the liquid soap to become more stable and gives it that nice gel-like consistency instead of staying too watery. Cover and allow it to rest for a few hours. After that, open and gently stir to check the thickness and also to add the other ingredients. Next, gradually add your already dissolved SLS solution into the main mixture while stirring continuously to ensure everything combines evenly. Now add your dissolved color into the mixture and stir well until the color is evenly distributed throughout the soap. Now add your glycerin into the mixture and stir well until it is fully incorporated. Glycerin acts as a moisturizer. It helps to retain moisture, make the soap smoother, and prevent it from becoming too harsh on the skin, while improving its feel and shine. Next, cover the mixture and allow it to rest for a few hours or overnight. This helps all the ingredients combine fully for a better texture and results. After that, open it and stir everything properly one last time. And just like that, your liquid soap is ready. Now carefully transfer it into clean bottles, containers or small cans. Make sure your containers are well washed and dry before pouring in the soap, so it stays fresh for a long time. You can use a funnel to avoid spilling and make the process neater. This liquid soap is very effective and long-lasting when properly stored. It can stay good for several months without spoiling, especially when kept in a cool place away from direct sunlight. It works properly for washing dishes, cleaning clothes, removing grease, and general household cleaning. It gives good foam and cleans very well even with small amounts. The good thing about this recipe is that it is very affordable and easy to make. You don't need expensive chemicals or complicated steps. With just simple ingredients, you can produce something that is useful in every home. In fact, you can turn it into a small business by producing a larger quantity and selling it around your area. It's a great way to save money and also earn extra income. And just like that, you have successfully made a rich, smooth and high quality liquid soap at home. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy DIY recipes like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.